my channel. I am going to be doing a video today about the products that I've hit pan in 2017. Honestly, it takes me a long time to actually hit pan on anything, so to see this surprising amount of stuff that I actually hit in a year, and I did use up some products, but some of these things I've had for quite some time, and some of them are ones that I always use up, so I just kind of wanted to hit base on them really quick. And actually 3 of them are in palettes, which is kind of unusual because I usually don't hit a eyeshadow pan very often. It just doesn't usually happen. But the one I always usually hit pan on is the Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent. I've used up so many of these that this is kind of insignificant, I guess, in some ways, but this is my favorite powder and I use it every time I do my foundation. So I have probably used up that thing like probably 10 times, if not more. So that is not it's kind of not really unusual, but I've also been using the Pulp Fiction palette. I've had this for quite some time. I've actually realized that I've had this for a while. And 2 of the shades I have actually hit pan on. The 2 bottom shades I probably will not end up using. Once I've used these two up, I will probably just toss this because this is a very old palette, and honestly this is just too dark for my eyes, and I do not use a black and white because I don't like the split pan like that. But one is called Righteous and one is Tyrant, and I have used quite a bit of this when I set my eyes, my base with this one, and then Tyrant I've been using as my crease color, which I actually like for that. So once I've used those colors up, it's not really pan a palette. This is not the palette I'm going to pan this year, but it is a palette that I would like to use up both of these eyeshadows and then be done with in my collection, even though I'm sad to get rid of that palette. It is kind of old and I've had it for quite some time. I did get this last year for Christmas from Valerie. I absolutely love this. This is the Chocolate Bar palette. I use this quite often, and I actually hit pan on Marzipan because I love that shade. It's a really pretty rose gold. I usually use it as an inner highlight or as an all over lid shade. These are my 2 favorite colors. I'm pretty sure I'm going to hit Creme Brulee eventually too. It's a gold shade. Those are my 2 favorite shades out of this palette, but I like the whole palette in general. Another palette that I hit 2 shades on that are I hit pan on was the Moon Dust palette. I got this last year too, I believe. Maybe it was the year before. I don't know. I hit, this one I think I hit last year. It's called Light Year. I used that a lot for Christmas, and then I also used a lot of the Vegan, or Vega. It's a blue. These are very soft shadows, so you're going to hit pan really fast if you use it a lot, which I do. And I'm not digging around in there, I just use it a lot. The other one, actually, you don't see pan, but you can see a ring. You can see the bottom, so eventually you're going to see pan. This is the this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I got this as a Christmas gift, I believe last year. I think so, from my sister-in-law. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite highlighter of all time. I will definitely repurchase this once I've used it up. Honestly, I have about 10 highlighters over here, and this is the only one that I ever really use. Yeah, I know. So anyways, those are the products that I've hit pan on, and if you want to know, or if you want to see progress later on like this product or some of my other ones, I can always do another video, but I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!